Hello, I'm Joe Kaywood, Director of Marketing here at Terex Utilities. I want to share the top 5 ways Terex serves you, the electric utility industry, starting with number 5, a new state-of-the-art factory. We're committed to being the strategic partner to the electric utility industry. Our new 450,000 square foot facility right here in Watertown, South Dakota, along with our new manufacturing equipment and processes, have increased our capacity and improved our delivery times. We're doing all of this while we maintain 95% of our supply chain right here in the United States, with a majority produced within 500 miles. Number 4, expanding our service footprint. We know how important service is to you. Last year, we opened a brand new service center near Fort Worth, Texas, and we'll be launching new branches in Atlanta and Houston. We've enhanced our customer portal, making it easier for you to track your job status or schedule service. We've also upgraded existing branches and expanded our field service network, so we can continue to provide you with reliable service from our experienced techs throughout the life cycle of the equipment. Number 3, we have exciting new products and technology. Terex Utilities is the pioneer of the industry, leading the way with innovation and continuous improvement. We're currently introducing more new products and technology than any time in our history. This year we've launched the new Z45 substation utility boom, the TL48 articulated and telescopic aerial device, the latest high-power hybrid solution, the Smart PTO, and the strongest transmission digger derrick in the market, the General 65 Max. We're also proud of being the first to develop safety-enabling technology like the positive attachment lanyard device, which reminds operators if they forget to hook up their lanyard before elevating the aerial. These new products and technologies like our Fleet Horizon portal are investments to support you. And number 2, an improved safety record. The safety of our customers and team members is a core value at Terex Utilities. We're working hard to fulfill our goal of zero harm and improve work practices, keeping safety in the forefront. Over the last 2 years, we've improved our safety by 60% while launching innovations to help you in your path to zero harm as well. And number 1, working together through adversity. Whether it was coming together to work through the challenges of the COVID pandemic or natural disasters such as hurricanes, you can always count on Terex Utilities to remain fully operational as we have been to fill your equipment, parts, and service needs. We understand that all Americans are counting on you to keep our lights on, and we're here to help make that happen. Well, there you have it, the Terex Utilities Top 5. If you have any questions about our lifecycle solutions or equipment, check out our website or give us a call. Thanks for watching.